In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Video Note feature in CougarView. Video Note is a great way to introduce yourself to your students. I am in the Welcome Message from Your Instructor section of the Start Here module. To record and insert a video note, click on the drop-down arrow and then click Edit HTML. In the middle of the toolbar is an icon with different shapes called Insert Stuff. Before I click on that, I'm going to click and put my cursor where I would like the video to go. Now I'm going to click on Insert Stuff and then click on Add Video Note. To record your video, click New Recording, and then when you're finished, click Stop Recording. And then you will go and click on the Next button, and then you will type a title into the title bar and then a description. Select audio language, English, and make sure you check automatically generate captions from audio, and then select next. Then after that, we'll take a minute to process, so you will have to just wait a few moments. It's going to say it's being processed and to please come back later. However, you can go ahead and click on Insert, and then go ahead, click Save and Close. And it will take a few moments for your video to appear. Also note that Video Note can be used to make announcements and also to provide feedback to your students on assignments. And you can see that the video has downloaded. So now all the student has to do is click play to view your introduction video.